Welcome back to Bitcoin Watch. If you're new to crypto, you're in the right place. Today we'll break down Ethereum, what it is, how it's different from Bitcoin, and how beginners can buy and sell it safely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join our 24/7 live stream for nonstop crypto chat and market updates. Ethereum is a blockchain network, a shared online system anyone can use. Its currency, Ether or ETH, is used to pay for transactions and run applications. Think of Ethereum as a global computer that can store data and execute code securely without middlemen. It's open, transparent, and forms the foundation of the decentralized internet known as Web3. Ethereum was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a team of developers. They wanted to expand on Bitcoin's idea of digital money by adding the ability to run smart contracts, code that can handle complex agreements automatically. Ethereum runs smart contracts, which are small programs stored on the blockchain. These contracts automatically execute when certain conditions are met, no human approval needed. Every time a transaction runs, users pay a small fee called gas, measured in ETH, to power the network. Now, how is Ethereum different from Bitcoin? Bitcoin was designed purely as digital money, a decentralized currency that lets you send and store value securely. Ethereum, on the other hand, goes further. It's a platform where developers can build apps, games, and even financial tools, all running on blockchain technology. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, mainly for saving and trading. Ethereum is more like a digital smartphone, capable of running thousands of applications. Bitcoin focuses on stability and simplicity, while Ethereum focuses on flexibility and innovation. Ethereum powers an entire ecosystem of blockchain projects. DeFi lets users borrow, lend, and earn interest without banks. NFTs turn digital art into unique, tradable assets. DAOs allow online communities to vote and manage projects together. All these features exist because Ethereum lets anyone build decentralized apps. Ethereum recently upgraded from proof of work to proof of stake, known as Ethereum 2.0. Instead of using miners and electricity, it now relies on people who stake ETH, locking it up to help verify transactions and earn rewards. This upgrade makes Ethereum faster, greener, and more energy efficient than before. Getting Ethereum is simple. Step 1. Choose a trusted crypto exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Step 2. Create an account and verify your ID. Step 3. Deposit money with your bank or card. Step 4. Search for ETH and click buy. You can start small, even a few dollars at a time. To sell, go back to your exchange and select Sell Ethereum. Enter how much you want to cash out and transfer the funds to your bank. If you're holding ETH long-term, move it to a crypto wallet. Use a mobile wallet like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger for security. Always back up your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Let's go over the main pros and cons of Ethereum. Pros: huge developer community and real-world use cases. Supports thousands of apps, tokens, and NFTs. You can earn passive income by staking. Cons: gas fees can rise when the network is busy. ETH's price is volatile. Competing blockchains like Solana and Avalanche are faster in some cases. Before you start investing, remember these quick tips. Use only reputable exchanges. Enable two-factor authentication. Never share private keys. And always research before investing. Crypto is exciting, but also risky. So now you know, Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's the foundation of decentralized apps and Web3. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Bitcoin Watch. And don't forget to join our 24/7 live stream for live chat, crypto updates, and breaking news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.